Put your hands in the air.
Welcome back to the channel. It's another video for you guys, man. It's been a while, a long while. It's been forever. I'm sorry. COVID kind of stepped in the way. Let me wipe that off. I'm back. I'm about to just do a quick video for you guys to show you I ain't dead, you know, just been chilling back, you know, enjoying life, doing a bunch of other shit, you know, getting into my other hobbies. I do have a bunch of hobbies. I get into them and I just get all the way into them. And then I flip it to my next hobby and do the same thing. Sorry for if you can't hear me right now. There's a big ass freeway right there. So I'm gonna try to do my best and speak it loud so you guys can clearly hear me. I'm back with a quick little video for you guys. This is a speed test video to show you how fast my trucks go, because a lot of people wonder how fast they go, and you know, they're not just for dirt, they do go high speeds. I'm gonna just get straight to it. Number one on the list, we got the Arrma Granite 4x4, all stock except for the tires. Got those side art MTs on there. I don't have a GPS recorder or anything like that, so I'm just gonna throw the overlay on top of the camera, and you guys can see the miles per hour as you see it on the truck itself. So let's get to it. Kraton. Just got it done. Destroyed the front end, so I had to replace everything. So this is his first time back out. So let's see how she does. I happen to feel that the Granite is faster. I'm sorry. I think the Granite is faster, but we'll see. But surely not least, the matte black Mojave. It can take two separate batteries, two different types of batteries, the 4S and the 6S. So we're gonna try both. First off, 4S, let's see. And excuse my spur gear, that thing is on its last leg, so we're gonna shred it up on this test run here. Hopefully it doesn't die before I get to the 6S. Whack camera mounts do not like to stay. I'm gonna do one more down the back on Forest, and then we're gonna flip to 6, because I don't know how long this fucking mount's gonna last, or this spur gear. I have to ease it into it, or it's just gonna shred it to pieces. My video for you guys, just a quick little installation. I got more coming once I think of some shit, but that Mojave's had it. Yeah, it's time for a new spur gear, but y'all got to see it. I blew it out for y'all, so stay tuned for new videos coming up on the channel. Peace.